for Beth in Mod 15's Advanced Tap channel, and today I'm going to be taking you through a quick little combination that mainly incorporates toe taps and toe beats. It could be used as a centre exercise or as a warm-up, with the toe tap and toe beat being the focal point of the exercise. So if you're unfamiliar with that ISTD tap vocabulary, within ISTD we have two forms of a knock or a beat that we use. The very front part of our shoe, skipping the metal part, the toe tap, and it's mainly emphasised right on the front of the foot. You're actually almost using that wooden part that the tap is screwed to make your sound. So yes, within ISTD we have two forms of this. We have a toe tap, which is like a bounce. So when we make the sound, we're actually lifting the foot up again. So it's like, so it bounces off. Whereas a toe beat, we actually leave it there. So it's like, and you'll notice there, you do get that tendency, especially in these kinds of shoes, to point your toe, but you really have to have a relaxed foot, almost a slightly flexed foot if you know you're prone to pointing your toes when you tap, as a lot of ballet-based dancers are. So yes, you're really wanting to make that sound with that wooden part, which can only be achieved with a relaxed foot. If you point your toe, you're going to end up hitting the top of the leather and you'll end up with a very muffled sound. So that's the theory out of the way. Let's get on to the combination. So we're going to start on the right foot, and we're going to start on the and one count with a ball change out. So and one, then we're going to do a pick hop, toe tap hop, and then we're going to step, tap step heel. So it goes and one, and two, and three, and four. Sorry, it's just a tap step, not a tap step heel. So again, and one, and two, and three, and four. Then you're going to do another pick up hop, toe tap hop, and step. But this time we're not stepping in front, we're stepping behind, almost on a diagonal line, because we're going to travel backwards with a pick ball change, pick hop, toe hop, step. So just that whole part again. And one, and two, and three, and four, and five, and six, and seven, and eight. And that's actually a toe beat. So it goes and one, and two, and three, and four, and five, and six, and seven, and eight. And it's important that we don't do a toe tap there, because you'll have that tendency to want to go forward. We're going to do a toe beat because our weight is thrown back to do a ball change on the and one count. So just that again. And one, and two, and three, and four, and five, and six, and seven, and eight, and one. And then we're going to do on the left foot a tap step heel. There's two. Then we're going to do two wing changes with a toe beat on the end. And a three and a four. Then we're going to do five and six, five and a six, five and a six. And they're going to do two tap step heels and a seven and a eight to take us onto the other foot. So it's two sets of eight. That's the entire combination. Like I said, it travels forwards as much as it does backwards, so it probably is a centre exercise, but as I said, it's a really good warm-up one, because as you can probably hear, probably because I'm talking, but it's quite aerobic as well, because you are bouncing a lot, you are travelling. So, and a good test as well would be see, okay, well, it's a centre exercise, how far can you stretch yourself, how far backwards can you travel in your pick ball change, how much forward can you go on your ball change right at the start. So really trying to expand that breadth of movement. So it's not necessarily a close step exercise. So I'm just going to go over it one more time on the right and then follow it on the left. So you go. Toe tap, toe beat exercise intended for the centre. So good luck with that.